When my high school kids used to ask me, Miss, you just want us to do what you say. And I would say to them, don't you want to have control? And they would say, yeah, but you don't give us any control. And my answer would be, when you follow directions or follow instructions as expected in your job here, because this is your job coming to school, you are actually 100% in control. When you don't follow directions or instructions, you give up all your control and you kind of are asking us to now be in control of you. We don't want to be in control of you. Following a direction or an instruction is actually the best way for you to take charge. And that's going to really be helpful for you in life. So when we have these kids who don't follow directions or instructions, they are thinking that they have to comply to you and they have no control. You can't force someone to follow a direction. You can't force them to move their seat. You can't force them to bring in something. You can't force them. If they're not going to do it, they're not going to do it. But the best thing we can do is to let them know how much more control they have when they just follow the direction. And I sit them down and I say that, I've noticed lately that you don't follow any directions. You're giving your control away. Take it back.